So after the screen replacement, we had to do a forced reset. Hop back in here. Something you want to check out here. Going through the phone, I'm fully charged. We're going to want to check the front camera. Make sure that it is functioning correctly. Works good. You want to zoom out. There are two cameras on here. You want to go to settings. You want to go down to Face ID and passcode. This is just testing it out here. You hit reset Face ID, set up Face ID, and you want to make sure that it gets to this screen. If it gets to that screen and it looks at you, and you're able to position your face around in circles, it's doing this part, which was wrong, then it works. You did not damage that cable going on. So that was how to replace the screen, how to get past the portion where the screen doesn't want to turn back on, but it seems to be clicking and functioning. And now I'm going to install my screen protector that came with it. Don't know if you need help with that, but if you do need help with that, stick around for the next 5 minutes. Listen to me say and okay a few more times. You get these wipes here. In my opinion, they're garbage. I see that a lot too, in my opinion. They usually dry it out. This is an alcohol wipe. This is wipe number 1. Numero uno. Take wipe number 1. Wipe down the screen pretty good. Get it all wiped down, all the corners, get all your fingerprints off it. And there should be quite a bit of moisture there on the screen. And that's when we're going to step in with wipe number 2. It says dry on it. Pull that, open it up. And here it is, little cloth. Wipe through, get all the alcohol off of it, all the smudges, circular motion. Because what you don't get off now will be underneath of your screen protector later. You can look at it forever. Just realize you can't see the phone, so it's not helpful. Point you down here. I was using my candle to prop it up earlier. There we go. Got her all cleaned up. And take the screen protector. Peel this plastic off the back. Try to get it on as straight as possible. I like to have the screen on so I can see. Bring it down over the ear hole, line that up. Don't touch it on quite yet. Get the bottom straight, side to side looks good. Press down in the middle. Once you press down in the middle, you're going to watch it do this cool thing, or I don't know if you can see it, turn the screen off. See all the air bubbles going out towards the sides. Might have to use your finger a little bit to work a couple of air bubbles out, which they usually, if it's a nice screen protector, which this one is actually pretty decent, they should work their way out, which they did. And that is how to replace the screen on an iPhone 11. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks. Have a good night.